student from Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program. On this occasion, I will discuss assessment as learning. I made this video to fulfill the final assessment of the Learning Evaluation course with the lecturer, Mr. Sandi Budiana. Let's begin. In this video, I will discuss assessment as learning. First, definition as learning is an assessment approach that emphasizes the role of student as active participant in their own assessment and learning process, with the goal improving their understanding and skill. Understanding assessment as learning is crucial in digital era, where information is easily accessible and teachers shift from being a knowledge provider to a knowledge guide. Next, function of assessment as learning. Point 1. Besides conforming to text assessment to them by their teacher, students shift from passive learning to active owner of their own learning. Point 2. Feedback for educator to improve the learning process to become more meaningful. Point 3. Feedback for student to improve learning strategies. Next, 4. Diagnosis student aggression of material in classroom learning activities. 5. Stimulate change in the classroom atmosphere so that I can inspire student motivation to learn with positive, supportive, and meaningful learning program. Next, here is the English translation of the step a teacher needs to take in carrying out the function of the assessment as learning using the 5M approach. Point A. Reviewing a student assessment result thoroughly. B. Appreciating a student work even when they receive low score. C. Guiding students on the steps they should to improve their learning outcome. Next, D. Motivation studying to take action based on their assessment result. Next, point E. Developing student ability to monitor, correct, and regulate their own learning so they can grow into independent learning. Next, their example of assessment as learning implementation. Point 1. Literacy mentoring among students. 2. Advanced procedure. 3. Physical education. 4. Introducing work habit rubric. 5. Portfolio. Next, example of assessment as learning instrument. Assessment as learning instrument are instruments used to assess the learning process by involving student in the assessment. In the assessment as learning, student can be also involved to formulation assessment procedure, criteria, and rubric assessment guidelines so that they know exactly what to do in the order to achieve maximum learning outcome. We can see the table below which is an example of a self-assessment. I want to word conclusion. Assessment as learning (AAL) is an assessment approach that actively influences students in the process of evaluating their own learning. Unlike assessment of learning (AOL), which focuses on the learning outcome and assessment for learning (AFL), which is the use to feedback informating. AAL encourages students to reflect on their learning process, recognize their strengths and weakness, and make adjustments to achieve deeper understanding. By involving students in their assessment process, AAL not only help the understanding their own learning process, but also increases their motivation learn, creates a positive and supportive classroom atmosphere, and improve the overall activity of learning. This is an explanation of assessment as learning and evaluation approach that place students on the very center of the learning process. By understanding and applying this concept, it is hope that teacher will not only become assessor, but also facilitator in the guiding student to recognize their own strength and weakness. Hopefully, this is video is useful and can inspire of understanding in implementation meaningful in learning evolution.